Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like my previous video. Please subscribe and like the video if you like it. Now let's get back to the topic. Today's topic is what's coming in your career. So just pick a pile, whoever you are attracting the most or whoever you are liking the most. Just pick a pile according to that, and I'm going to give you some time. After that I'm going to start one by one. So those who choose pile number 1, here are your readings. First I am going to take the tarot card and I will take the tea leaf cards. So the first card for you here is a Knight of Pentacles, which show that something is coming to you in the career. A news may be coming in your career, or an offer is coming to you in your related to your job or your career. What I am seeing is something related to medicines, something a job where generally traditional things are done. So that kind of thing I am seeing here. Second card for you is the Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacle, which show that something new is coming in your career. You are going to start something new in your career, which will help you to in your finances. As you can see, the Pentacles, it's a sign of finances. Third card I am seeing is the Page of Swords. This is a young energy which indicates that someone, a clever person, may come in your workplace and which may create problem in your workplace or in your career. So beware of that person, and that person may somehow related to the past, so keep an eye on that. What else I am seeing is the success in your career. Whatever you are going to do, whatever you want to do, you are going to get success in that. So you can go ahead if you want to start something new, because success will be there. And the last card which I am getting is the Six of Pentacles, which indicate you should not spend too much at this time. Okay, it is also a card which indicate giving the things. So in your career you may be help others related to your workplace. You may like to help others in your workplace. You generally help the poor ones. You will may also give them something to eat, something like that. So now I'm going to take the tea leaf card. First is beware of great prides. So if you get success, just beware of your pride. You does not go like that. Now I'm successful, can do whatever I want. So don't be like that. uh, Second card is news is on the way. So as you are seeing here, news is on the way regarding career. And Knight of Cups also indicate that something in news definitely coming your way, that's for sure. And here is a beware of self delusion. So I think somehow related to a career, you are so much into yourself that you think whatever you are doing is right. What I'm seeing is sometimes you also see what other people are saying, because you should not think that I'm always right, something like that. Whatever I do, I will just success in that. So just keep an eye on that, because otherwise it may create problem. And the last card for you is dissatisfaction with life. So something regarding your career which you will do may not be go out so well, so keep in check on that. So whatever you are doing, just keep in check on that. Whatever you are doing. And what I'm seeing here, uh, just beware of the person and your pride, please, because these kind of people are enemy of their own sometimes. So here's a reading for the pile number 1. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section what next topic you want me to do a video on. Okay, bye bye. So for those who choose pile number 2, here is your reading. First I am going to take the tarot cards, then I will take the tea leaf cards. So first thing that I'm seeing is here is strength. Strength means uh, in your career you may deal with the government soon, or you may get a government job if you are just looking for it. You know, and one more thing, in your career you need courage. If you face any problem, face it courageously, because that is going to help you a lot in your career, because sometimes all you need is courage to just pass anything or just to success anything. Second card for you is the ace of swords, which represent success. Again, what I just said, success is assured for you. You just keep a lot of courage. Ace of swords also indicate the new beginnings, so you may try something new, but I'm seeing here with the previous thing, you're going to try something new. You're not going to choose entirely a different career, but you are going to try something new, including the previous one. The third card here is a Queen of Swords, okay, which indicate in your career you have to take some strict decisions so that you can place the people on their right position. You know, sometimes people just don't behave, so you have to make them behave rightly. What I'm saying is you have to take some hard decision in your career, which will lead to you success in your career. The last card for you is the Nine of Pentacles. Here the Nine of Pentacles indicate that you have enough whatever you wanted. So some of you are happy in your career. You know, you don't want nothing from thing. Whatever I am having is good for me, something like that. Some of you are of that kind of personality, that whatever you are having, you are fine with the job, you don't want anything else. Yeah. So cards for you is a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. So some of you, you know, some of you may get into a business or start something new business with the other person, a kind of collaboration type of thing, you know. And what I'm getting is weeping willow, that is family sorrow. So just make sure that because of your career, you should not compromise your family thing. Okay. So this is your reading for pile number 2. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And this is the reading for you. Thank you. So for those who choose pile number 3, here is your reading. First I am going to take the tarot card and I will take the tea leaf cards. Okay, first card that I saw is the Five of Wands, which indicate conflict. So some kind of conflicts may happen in your career, in your workplace. You know, people minds may not match with you, and you are going to fight with them. It's like I want to do this, someone want to do that, your colleagues want to do something else. So that may create the mind conflict. So that kind of thing may happen in your career. Second card is the Nine of Swords, which indicates the worries about your career. You may be worried a lot of about your career. Maybe that is causing you the sleepless nights. So an anxiety issue like that. No need to do anything because of the conflict that you are happening with your colleagues. Again, I got the Eight of Swords. Okay, so here's the thing. What I'm seeing is because of your colleagues, because of your environment, sometimes you are trapped in the situation in your career where you can't do things on your own. So you know, you have to take permission of others. You can't do anything on your end. Wherever you go, you just receive the criticism of the things. Something like that is happening in your career. So here's the last card, King of Pentacles, which shows some good thing for you, because it shows that your financial will be good. You know, whatever the job you are having, you are going to have the good financial condition. You are going to have the good money in that. Okay. So here are your tea leaves cards. First card is the karma. You will reap what you have sown. So in your past, whatever you have done, either good or bad, that is going to come back to you. If you have done good, something good is coming to you. If you have done something bad, be prepared, because in your career you are going to hit it back. Hard work ahead. So pile number three, I am seeing that you have to work hard in your career. You have to work hard in your workplace to make things works. As you can see, I can see the conflicts here. I can see the worry here. I can see the bond by others here. So you have to work hard to get out of all these situations. Okay. Next card is romance, celebration, and party. So some of you may just feel that now it's already enough that I have gone through such worse things. Now I want something relief. So you may go to a party or something like that you want to enjoy. The last card for you is successful overcoming a problem. Okay. So what I am seeing is whatever problem you are having in your career, you are going to solve it soon, and then you will have a party. So something like that is going to happen with you. So pile number three, here you're reading. Hope you like the video. Please hit on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For those who choose pile number four, here are your reading. First, I'm going to take the tarot card and I will take the tea leaf cards. Okay. So here is your first message. Your first message is the King of Swords, which indicates that authoritative position in your career. You know you want to go at a high position in your career, you want a promotion at this time, something like that, or if you are seeking for promotion, that may happen with you in the next coming days. It also indicates that someone will take a cold action against you, so don't get disheartened if something like that going to happen. And your next card is the Three of Swords. So in your career you may be betrayed by someone. If you are, you are in a type of things where you will do business, so there are chances of betrayal by the other person, so beware of that. You may be hurt in your career because of the something that may happen, so just kind of that. So now next card is the Five of Pentacles. I think you may be hurt just because of your finances. Maybe something of that should happen in your career, because of that your finances just go down and you are worrying about them a lot and you are having pain and being hurt that what has happened to you, something like that. If you are in business, just make sure the other person should not betray you, otherwise this condition may arise. The last card is the Nine of Wands. Here line of N indicates that just be stand on your ground, whatever the situation is, face it with the heads up. You are going to overcome the problem. Just be courageous. You need to face the problem to overcome it. Come it. Okay. It doesn't like that I can't do anything. What will happen now? Just face it. Just go for it, and then the problem will be solved. You have to take the action. Then only something will happen. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen. Okay. So here are your messages, reconciliations. So here in career reading, reconciliation means something which you are, want to do from a long time, or have just, leave the thing for some time. You are going to take that thing back for you. That I am getting here. You are going to start something that you have already done in the past, but you are going to start it again. Something like that you are going to do with your career. Another thing is temptation will test you. Okay. So something, all these situations that are happening with you, like being in pain, you have financial down, it's like the universe is testing you. It is testing your limit, up to what you can, you know up to what you can withstand. Something like that is happening with you or may happen with you. And here's the thing, a two-faced friend. As I said, beware of this person, because that may be the reason, because of you may get hurt. That may be the reason, because of you may get your finances low. So beware of the person that may harm you in your business. As I said earlier, beware of the person that may cause such type of damage to you. Okay. So pile number 4, here is a reading. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. And guys, see you in the next video. And do let me know in the comment section what next topic you want me to do. Okay, bye bye.